With the current economic climate and costs rising, did you know you could be sitting on up to $5,000? Your propane tank is worth up to $5,000, and Shipley Energy wants to give you cash for it. When you sell your propane tank, it stays on your property and you gain exclusive access to a leading fuel supplier and a great partner. We'll manage your fuel deliveries so you never have to worry about running out. Shipley Energy is a partner you can rely on and trust. That's why when you sell us your tank, we're giving you a 3-season low-capped price on propane. Just because you loan your tank from Shipley Energy doesn't mean you should pay more to heat your home. With Shipley Energy, you can stop worrying about your propane levels and your tank's maintenance. We take care of it all, so you can enjoy the finer things of life. Call today to find out how much your tank is worth.